We saw that with let we can declare variables at the code block level, and we can update those variables, whereas with const we declare constants that cannot be reassigned. With arrow functions we have a shorthand syntax for declaring functions. We also saw that the this of an arrow function refers to the environment where the function was declared. With template strings, we can use backticks to define strings that occupy several lines, and that also allows us to perform string interpolation, which is when we can use templates to insert values into a string. With the ternary operator, we have an abbreviated form of an if-else where we can evaluate an expression depending on the value of a boolean. We use this to assign a value to a variable depending on the value of the boolean. With this structuring, we can extract values from objects and arrays in a simple way and assign them to variables. With the spread operator, we can extract the values of objects and arrays and use them in different manners, like for concatenating arrays, cloning objects, and so on. With classes, we can create code units that encapsulate data and functionality. Array map allows us to map the values of an array to another array while transforming set values. Promises represent operations that will be fulfilled in the future and allows us to do other stuff with our application while those operations are finished. Async await allows us to use a nicer syntax to work with asynchronous programming. Modules allows us to isolate data and functionality in one place so that we can share what we want from these elements and import them into other modules at will.